to return to the roundabout. Press the...
Drive it.
Oh.
What are you? Oh, you're a boat. You're a boat. Can you drive the boat? Remember, you gotta do your handle.
Hey!
Oh, not your car. Oh, a truck. Are you gonna turn it? Are you gonna steer? Turn it.
I'm a biplane now.
Whoa.
Suddenly I'm a fishing boat.
You gotta steer it. You gotta turn the
A
handle.
sand cat. Yippee! I'm a tugboat now.
You don't like actually driving it. You're just too interested in changing what you are.
So, we're really getting up into the mountains.
Whoa, you're in the mountains with the snow? Are you a tugboat?
Suddenly I'm...
A fishing boat.
Hey! Look at me. Cool. Now I'm a sports car.
Sports car.
Hey, now look at me. I'm a car now.
Here, change the airplanes.
I'm a biplane now. Zoom! I'm a jet plane now.
Plane.
Wow! Now I'm a helicopter.
Cool. That's pretty awesome, huh, Jedediah? You like that?
Look at me. I'm a car now.
Car. Good job. You're doing
Now
good
I'm a
job.
sports car.